Okay, ito naman, for Bianca. Okay, Bianca. Do you sometimes feel that you are getting torn between boys or different love teams?
Wow. Ako, personally naman, I see both partnerships as blessings. It's really nice, and I'm very, very grateful to be given the opportunity to be able to grow with two different people with beautiful hearts, beautiful souls, and genuine connection. So, if natutorn ako, no, but I'm very, very grateful for the both of them and the support that each Adam has given us.
Yeah, thanks, Bianca. And syempre, alam naman natin na, of course, the Philippines is very known for the love teams. But I think it's also nice that Bianca gets to explore with different people, different artists. Kaya naman, yes, let's support Bianca. Yes, Wilka does BA.